Yeah, it's Quinn the Eskimo. Hot now, man. About 62 degrees Fahrenheit. I don't know, that's 16. Probably went up a little higher now. But clearing up all the stuff now. What I'm doing, you might see some pictures. When I look at this here, looking at everything. So I got some nice center poles for my canvas lodges. So I do winter camping, hot tenting, and stuff like that. And sometimes in the summer I'll put a little wedge on it. But yeah, so I'll use center poles for that. And I got some beautiful tripods for making a bed like Dave Canterbury does, and I think Corporal did that a little bit. But yeah, so I got some nice tripods. Got some little ridge poles for that. And some nice poles for my canvas lodges. So, you know, I'm not just out here cutting wood. I see what I could use, you know. What could I use? So when I make a cut, now my truck is not too big, so some things I have to stick out a little bit, but that's no big deal. But that's the first thing in my mind when I'm looking at this stuff, because I need this stuff right now. Once I get it and keep it dry, you know, it'll be fine. I'm not crazy about birch for that, but I do have some maple. This firewood is oak, which is fine. But so that's what I have in mind when I'm doing this. But it's just a beautiful day. You come out in the woods and clearing the road. I have to clear the road. This is wood that is not seasoned, which is good because I have more than enough wood that is seasoned here. In fact, too much because of the loggers. But I'll have this wood to mess with for a long time. You know, this little log here. Well, whenever I want. So I don't have to. It's off the ground. I don't have to worry about it. But I'll cut what I could today. Fill the truck up. But right now I'm focusing on getting wood for my for lodges. Like I see these long pieces here. See long pieces here. You know, I saved some of those pieces there. But yeah, I just use a small saw to kind of clear things out. It's cutting good, small steel saw. But so that's what's on my mind right now. I'm not going to do any spoon wood right now. I might, but not oak though. But you could, but not me. But yeah, my tea's ready, man. Just gonna have my tea. Very nice, man. Sit up a little bit. Yeah. Banana bread my wife made. In my little pack, I always have one Canteen cup. I had stuff in my truck, and I have like 5 stainless steel cups now. My son has 1 or 2. But now, because that alcohol stove was on a rock, it wasn't completely stable, and the ground is perfect. It did come off it a bit. So, yeah, I took it off. It's more stable on the ground. Just have to be careful with the fire and stuff. So, but yeah, it's a beautiful day. I got long sleeves on. And that's because of the ticks and bugs, stuff like that. But yeah, man. Canteen Cup Tuesday with tea, with dessert. Wind's coming in. I want a little rain. I want to see how this thing is. But I got all kinds of canvas, tarps, different things. Even this reflective thing I'm sleeping on. This is a good one. Make a shelter out of that. But I want to see if this thing was waterproof here. I make it waterproof if it's not. but maybe with silicone. But cool. So I think everything worked out pretty good. Um, I don't know what the forester would say. I'm sitting in a hooch here, just temporarily for having lunch, but pretty good. We did good. Everything cut good. We're safe. It's number one. Um, but you hear the birds out here. I mean, it's like my own little forest out here, man. But very good. But overall, this thing, it's cool now. I mean, it's all right. Don't put it on a rock or anything. Just make sure it's stable. Worked pretty good. It's not warped anymore, but it did it first. But pressure time. Basic alcohol stuff. Now, it's a little versatile. You can put it over coals in the fire. Maybe turn over like this. But for the alcohol, I kind of like to go hike. Just put it right in there. It's pretty stable. It's good. But this is fine too. But this is kind of a, has a cap, kind of a generic alcohol stove. I do have the supports for this in the bag and a ferro rod, so I bought some extra supports. But pretty cool. I just went out and bought some more first aid stuff to put in one of my other bags. But yeah, do we do bushcraft stuff? Yeah. Outdoor, yeah. You know, some people think, oh, those, people on the Appalachian Trail, they're not bush. Like hell they are, man. They know how to pack, man. With very little stuff, like Wanderlust, what's her name? D, or whatever her name is. But you'll learn a lot from them because they learn the hard way. Lighten up the pack. What do you need? What don't you need? Crap is the fan, man. They got it down already. Well, got the little pack and they go out there, But so we're all working together. We all like the outdoors. We all like to get out there. We all share moments. As they say, it's not a pissing contest. Who's better? Who's that? Nah, you don't need that. You don't need whistles. You don't need that. You need to learn? Yes. If you don't like everything that someone's teaching you because of what he said, if you're watching anyways, you learn. Who cares? Serve it at one son of a gun. But, yeah. So, Canteen Cup Tuesday. Not exactly when I'd like to sleep here, but I can't. They don't allow it. It's a nice place to come. I did set the shelter. I just wish we had some rain right now. But it feels like it's coming in. There were a few drops before, but yeah. So Queen the Eskimo, it's a little hooch. Nothing fancy. Little clips on there that came with it. They're really not worth anything, but it's up past. So take it easy, man.